Introducing the latest innovation in the automotive aftermarket, Qik Fit Cabin Air Filter. Now, let's review the Qik Fit Installation Guide. With the customer's permission, open the glove box. If the glove box is equipped with an actuator arm, disconnect it to prevent damage. Lower or remove the glove box door. Locate and remove the cabin air filter box door. Utilize the Qik Fit Universal Cabin Air Filter Removal Tool to catch debris from falling into the fan motor. Insert the Qik Fit Removal Tool under the old filter to catch debris before it reaches the fan motor. Hold the tool in place. Remove the old filter. Gently remove the tool and discard debris in the trash. Open the Qik Fit filter package. Remove filter and decal. Apply the two decals onto the outer side of the cabin air filter door. Save the Qik Fit ID card to insert in glove box or attach to the customer's receipt. Use the old filter as a template to size the Qik Fit filter to match the correct size. We like to say, rip to fit. It's okay if the Qik Fit filter is slightly larger. The filter will compress and conform to size as it is installed. If the vehicle is not equipped with a square filter, use the old filter as a template. With a marker, trace an outline of the angle on the Qik Fit filter. Using scissors or shears, cut the Qik Fit filter to size following your traced outline. If the vehicle is equipped with a filter that is greater than 1 inch thick, multiple Qik Fit filters can be stacked. Optional, lightly spray a pleasant air freshener on the filter for a customer-friendly touch. Install the new Qik Fit filter. Reinstall the cabin air filter box door. Reinstall the glove box and connect the actuator arm, if equipped. Place the Qik Fit ID card and customer's contents back in the glove box. Thank you for your interest in the Qik Fit Cabin Air Filter System. To ensure broad distribution and convenient accessibility for all channels and segments, Qik Fit Cabin Air Filter is exclusively available from Highline Warren and Service Champ. Connect with your Highline Warren or Service Champ representative today to learn more about our programs, designed to support end-user resellers, retailers, wholesalers, jobbers, and enterprise organizations. Together, let's help vehicle owners everywhere upgrade their cabin air filter to a Qik Fit cabin air filter.